Looking for the perfect stick vacuum cleaner in 2026? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best stick vacuum cleaners that deliver powerful suction, lightweight design, and smart features to make cleaning easier than ever. Whether you need something for quick daily cleanups or a powerful option to handle pet hair and deep dirt, we've got you covered with the best choices available right now. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check prices and grab the best deals. Let's get started. 5. Jelly Pig X100. Upgrade your home cleaning routine with the X100 cordless vacuum cleaner, where power meets convenience in one sleek design. Driven by a high-performance 650-watt brushless motor, it delivers an impressive 55,000 PA suction that effortlessly lifts dust, pet hair, crumbs, and even large debris from carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles. Enjoy up to 70 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning thanks to its long-lasting 8x 2800 mAh battery, making it perfect for tackling your entire home in one go. The innovative V-shaped anti-tangle brush ensures smooth operation by preventing hair wrap, while the self-standing design lets you pause anytime without hassle. With a smart LED touchscreen, you can easily monitor battery life, adjust suction levels, and stay on top of maintenance for a truly intelligent cleaning experience. Watch the full performance and real-life demo on our YouTube channel to see why the X100 is the ultimate cleaning companion for modern homes. 4. Levoit LSV V201-WUS. Upgrade your cleaning routine with a powerful yet lightweight vacuum designed for modern homes and pet lovers. Featuring a tangle-resistant roller, it effortlessly picks up human and pet hair while minimizing frustrating clogs. Enjoy versatile cleaning across floors, carpets, and tight spaces with the included 2-in-1 crevice and pet tools, making every corner spotless. The easy empty dustbin lets you dispose of dirt in one click, while washable filters and a detachable, easy-to-clean roller keep maintenance simple and cost-effective. With advanced 5-stage filtration, it captures fine dust, allergens, and pet dander for a healthier living space. Best of all, its lightweight build and up to 50 minutes of runtime make quick cleanups and deep cleaning sessions equally convenient. Power, flexibility, and comfort all in one smart solution. 3. Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upgrade your cleaning routine with the powerful Bissell CleanView Swivel Vacuum, designed to deliver deep, efficient cleaning across carpets, hard floors, and more. Featuring the advanced triple-action brush roll, it loosens, lifts, and removes embedded dirt and pet hair with ease, while the multi-cyclonic suction system ensures consistent, high-performance suction from start to finish. Its swivel steering makes maneuvering around furniture effortless, and the extension wand allows you to reach high and tight spaces without hassle. The easy empty dirt tank minimizes mess and downtime, so you can clean faster and more efficiently. Lightweight yet powerful, this vacuum is perfect for busy households, especially those with pets, offering professional-level cleaning at an affordable price. 2. Shark NV360 Upgrade your cleaning routine with the ultimate all-in-one vacuum designed for powerful performance and everyday convenience. Featuring multi-surface powerful suction, it effortlessly deep cleans carpets while seamlessly transitioning to bare floors with the brush roll shutoff feature. The innovative lift-away functionality allows you to detach the pod and clean hard-to-reach areas like under furniture, stairs, upholstery, and more with ease. Equipped with anti-allergen complete seal technology and a HEPA filter, it traps dust and allergens inside, making it ideal for a cleaner, healthier home. Pet owners will love the specialized pet hair upholstery tool, while swivel steering ensures smooth navigation around tight corners and furniture. With a large 0.9-quart dust cup, you can clean longer without interruption, and quick, hassle-free emptying keeps things simple. Complete with essential tools like a crevice tool and easy-to-maintain washable filters, this vacuum delivers powerful, versatile cleaning in one smart package. 1. Dyson V11 Origin. Experience powerful, intelligent cleaning with the Dyson V11 cordless vacuum, engineered for whole-home versatility without the hassle of cords. Delivering up to 60% more suction power and up to 60 minutes of runtime, it adapts effortlessly to your cleaning needs with 3 optimized modes: Eco for extended use, Auto for balanced everyday cleaning, and Boost for tackling stubborn dirt. The advanced LCD screen keeps you informed in real time, while the motor bar cleaner head deep cleans all floor types and automatically detangles hair as you go. Easily convert it into a handheld vacuum for cars, stairs, and upholstery, and use specialized tools like the hair screw tool for fast, tangle-free hair removal. With whole machine filtration capturing 99.99% of microscopic particles and a durable, lightweight build backed by Dyson's 2-year warranty and lifetime support, the V11 is designed to deliver a smarter, more hygienic clean every time. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best stick vacuum cleaners for 2026. Each of these options brings something unique to the table, whether it's powerful suction, lightweight design, or smart features to make cleaning easier than ever. The right choice really comes down to your needs and lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more product reviews and buying guides just like this. You'll find links to all the products mentioned in this video down in the description below, so be sure to check those out for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.